Hi, this is Laura Vergara, and I'm with ABC Bartending Schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic margarita. Well, what is a margarita? It's normally a traditionally Mexican drink made with tequila and triple sec. Triple sec is an orange liqueur. It's clear. You can find it in different colors, but to maintain the color of your margarita, you want to get the clear triple sec. Otherwise, you would use Cointreau, which is also another orange flavored liqueur, but we're going to stick to the non-alcoholic margarita today, okay? Now let me start showing you by cutting the limes. You're going to need natural lime juice to make a non-alcoholic margarita, okay? You want to cut the lime in half and cut them into little wedges. That way, it will be easier to get the juice out of it, and it will be faster for you, okay? You're going to start off with getting a nice tin. Put some ice in it. Squeeze your limes. Get all the juice you can out of there. The more lime juice it is, the better. You're going to continue squeezing. Then you're going to add an orange syrup, which will replace your triple sec. Give a nice squeeze in there. Then you'll get some sour mix. About 4 seconds worth. And add a splash of orange juice just to give it a little more volume in there. You want to go ahead and give it a really good shake. I'm going to make this give the kids a reason to feel like they're having an adult drink. Now you also want to go ahead and garnish it with an extra piece of lime. And there you would have a non-alcoholic margarita. You can have fun with the kids. They can pretend they're having fun with you, having fake margaritas, and the party continues. Bye.